This indicator has been rated number 1 by Deriv users, okay, which makes it the best boom and crash indicator globally. So if you're watching this video right now, the best thing you can do for yourself is to save this number and get this indicator. You will never ever lose money ever on Deriv. Let me show you what makes TIROC the best. It gives you a signal plus the estimated size of the spike. As you can see previously from our record, this is how we've been making money on Deriv. This is how we do it. So the process to make a purchase, it is as easy as ABC. You can just pause the video and read for yourself, okay? So this is our most recent client and he was very happy. If other people can make a living trading with these indicators, you can also do it. There's no point for you to donate your hard-earned money to Deriv.